Sport update around the world. Kylian Mbappe received Golden Boot Award for 2024-2025 season. Amakuru agezweho muri siporo hirya no hino ku isi. Kylian Mbappe yegukanye urukweto rwa zahabu rwa sezo ya 2024-2025. Florentino Perez said to Kylian Mbappe, he said, "You won this award thanks to your 44 goals last season, 31 goals in 34 games in La Liga. You will remember this day forever. The Golden Boot is very difficult to achieve. You are the fourth player to achieve it at Real Madrid." Mu ijambo rye Florentino Perez yabwiye Kylian Mbappe ati, "Utwaye iki gikombe kubera ibitego 44 watsinze muri sezo ishize, ibitego 31 mu mikino 34 muri shampiyona ya La Liga. Uyu munsi uzahora wibuka iteka ryose. Golden Boot cyangwa urukweto rwa zahabu ruragora cyane kurutwara kubera ko ubu ubaye umukinnyi wa kane ukinira Real Madrid wegukanye iri shimwe." Here are Kylian Mbappe's teammates who were there to celebrate with him while he was winning the Golden Boot Award. Aba rero wirebera akaba ari abakinnyi bakinana n'umukinnyi Kylian Mbappe mu ikipe ya Real Madrid bari bamuherekeje ndetse bifatanya nawe kwishimira iki gikombe yarahawe cya Golden Boot. Urabona mu ifoto ko na Vinicius Junior yarahari kandi asekera abantu bose nta kibazo afite. While we are still in Real Madrid, Xabi Alonso today, while talking to media, said this about Endrick. Endrick wished he could play for a few minutes. Circumstances allow him and he trains very well. He needs to be given these opportunities. Tukiri mu ikipe ya Real Madrid, Xabi Alonso mu kiganiro n'itangazamakuru avuga ku mukinnyi Endrick yavuze ati, "Umukinnyi Endrick yifuza kuba yahabwa iminota mikeya yo gukina mu kibuga. Ibihe turimo rero birabimwemerera. Ndahamya ko akeneye no guhabwa amahirwe yo kuba yagaragara mu kibuga." Now let's go in Ligue in AS Monaco. Paul Pogba is not at Monaco training in today. The reason of his absence is that he got hurt on an ankle during yesterday's session afternoon training. His presence in the group seems committed. Read more via Info Sport Live. Tugiye mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa muri Championnat Ligue biravuga ko Pogba atakoze imyitozo uyu munsi kubera ko yababaye ku kaguru. Akaba yaragize ikibazo ku kaguru mu myitozo y'umugoroba w'ejo hashize. Ariko nubwo yagize ako kabazo k'imvune bikaba bigaragara ko Paul Pogba 100% yagarutse. Still in French Ligue 1, Paris FC are eyeing N'Golo Kante as their marquee signing. The club wants the midfield engine to spearhead their Parisian project with hope of bringing his leadership and experience home. Kante has not yet renewed his contract with Al Ittihad, making the move a real possibility via Foot Mercato. Tukiri mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa muri Championnat Ligue, Paris FC irashaka kuzagura umukinnyi N'Golo Kante mukuye mu ikipe ya Al Ittihad kugira ngo azane experience ye ndetse n'igitutu no kuyobora mu iyo kipe kugira ngo ikipe ibe yazabasha kuguma mu cyiciro cya mbere. N'Golo Kante bivuga ko atariyongera amasezerano mu ikipe akinira ya Al Ittihad yo mu Barabu. Ibi rero bikaba bishoboka ko yazagaruka mu rugo mu Bufaransa gukinira ikipe ya Paris FC. Pedro Rodriguez had decided to leave Lazio at the end of the season when his contract expired. There is real chance he could retire from football. Umukinnyi Pedro Rodriguez yafashe umwanzuro ko atazongera amasezerano mu ikipe ya Lazio ubwo amasezerano azaba arangiye ku mpera z'iyi sezo. Bikaba bishoboka ko azahita ahagarika no gukina umupira nk'uwabigize umwuga. His honors include honor he won with FC Barcelona, 5 La Liga title, 3 Copa del Rey, 4 Super Copa de España, 3 Champions League, 3 UEFA Super Cup and 2 FIFA Club World Cup. Pedro Rodriguez akina umupira w'amaguru yatwaye ibikombe byinshi birimo ibyo yatwaye n'ikipe ya Barcelona birimo ibikombe bya La Liga 5, ibikombe bya Copa del Rey 3, ibikombe bya Super Copa de Espagne 4, ibikombe bya Champions League 3, ibikombe bya UEFA Super Cup 3 ndetse na FIFA Club World Cup 2. With Chelsea he won 1 Premier League title, 1 FA Cup and 1 Europa League title. Akinira ikipe ya Chelsea yatwaye igikombe kimwe cya Premier League, yatwaye igikombe kimwe cya FA Cup ndetse n'igikombe kimwe cya Europa League. Angola has agreed to pay $12 million to host a friendly match against Argentina. This enormous sum is justified by the presence of Leo Messi, which will draw record crowds to November 11th stadium. Angola will host Argentina on 14th of November in a friendly. Biravugwa ko ikipe y'igihugu ya Angola yishyuye miliyoni 12 z'amadolari y'Amerika kugira ngo izakine umukino wa gishuti n'ikipe ya Argentina. Ikipe ya Angola izishimira kwishyura iki kiguzi kubera ko kapiteni Lionel Messi nawe azaba ari muri iyo kipe. Bazakina bakazakinira kuri stade yiswe 10, bakaba bazakinira muri Angola tariki 14 z'ukwa 11. Today we remember the death of Emiliano Sala, the player of FC Nantes who died in airplane crash. Uyu munsi twibuka umukinnyi Emiliano Sala wakiniraga ikipe ya FC Nantes mu cyiciro cya mbere mu gihugu cy'Ubufaransa, witabye Imana azize impanuka y'indege. Real Madrid saw a player who will play against Valencia. Urutonde rw'abakinnyi b'ikipe ya Real Madrid baza gukina n'ikipe ya Valencia: Thibaut Courtois, Fran Gonzalez, Sergio Mestre, Eder Militao, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Asensio, Carreras, Fran Garcia, Ferland Mendy, Dean Huijsen, Jude Bellingham, Camavinga, Fede Valverde, Tchouaméni, Arda Güler, Dani Ceballos, Vinicius Junior, Endrick, Kylian Mbappe, Rodrigo, Gonzalo, Brahimi, Mastantuono, and the coach is Xabi Alonso. Football results uko amakipe yatsindanye.